I bought the cheapest high pressure washer I can find online and we're testing it out today at the 424.
Oh, that's good.
So, let's see how it goes. I can wash on the move, hopefully. Hey. Come check it out, bro. Nice. So far, so good, eh?
Working a charm. The bike's going to be clean by the time you go home.
I don't think that's too bad. Alrighty, let's get some dirt nerfs on there. Ah, I like it to be on the phone function. What do you think so far, Gazzy?
I think you're going to have a clean driveway at home and a clean bike to park on it, my bro.
We're going to be nice and cool today.
And that's after a morning of racing.
That's it. Literally getting back to the house today. And then tomorrow, riding again. Clean bike.
No one will ever know.
No one will know. Nothing like a little brush action. Yeah, get that bad boy in all the spots. Especially those hard to reach spots. The brush comes in clutch. So I've literally just let the bike cool off a little. And quickly, while that mud's fresh. So it looks like those high pressure washers aren't like the most fantastic thing. But when the dirt's fresh, I don't think it's a problem. We'll see if the high pressure washer can get anything out of this foot peg over here. I mean, we hit a bit of mud today. I wouldn't say it's been our craziest in terms of mud. I'm not using the gun anymore, I've just got the nozzle and it works like a charm. So don't worry about charging the battery as long as you got a water pump on board. I don't think that turned out bad.
Clean is clean, bro.
A little foot lane wash.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Dry her up a little bit. Not too shabby. And there we have it.